Alright, very quick video. How to stop your hiccups in 1 minute. This method is going to sound weird as hell, but I wish somebody told me this when I was a kid. It works and it works immediately. Super effective. All you have to do if you want to stop your hiccup, just get a glass of water. The method is about how you drink the water. You don't drink it from the usual side. What you're supposed to do is to drink it from the opposite side. So you have to tilt your head to drink it from the other side of the cup. Weird as hell, but it works. The next time you have hiccup, try it.